Welcome on board to the Meta Instinct channel. This video covers the S2 guide and shares exciting news about Packsify. The S1 map is the server's homeworld. It will always be accessible and players can freely travel between the new season and the S1 map. We can travel to the S2 map through the breach when it opens. The S2 map has only 3 guilds, and we must reach the worship relation before the end of the season to acquire all rewards, such as the legendary Trinkets. You can find the guild relation guide in this video, the link is in the description. The S2 map consists of gangs from 3 servers, making the competition fiercer. S2 has a similar season reward to S1, which is determined by the highest level port a gang occupies. Thus, the top gangs from each server will eventually fight for port 7. The playstyle in S2 is like S1, with incidents, events, monsters, port and tower capturing, armed freighters, and more. Let's now discuss the differences. In Season 2, the most exciting aspect is the Trinket. We can obtain trinkets from the trinket drawing using Conchs, similar to drawing a hero. Unique trinkets like Blood Fang for Adeline require Hymm Conch to draw, while regular trinkets like Chain of Bombs take Echo Conch to draw. Trinkets enhance the hero to the next level with additional attributes and effects. We have a comprehensive guide on trinkets, the link is provided in the description. Trinkets can be acquired slowly with a free conch or obtained quickly from the bundles. The good news is that thanks to Packsify, sponsor of this video, you can always get up to a 28% discount on any bundle. Packsify has a Discord community with over 10,000 members that saved players over $4.1 million over the last 3 years. Now, they're launching an app that makes getting discounts effortless. Join the waiting list to enjoy exclusive bonuses, including early bird discounts ranging from 10 to 35% and an additional 15% discount for the first 2 weeks. Test the app with 500 free credits, with no credit card required. Grant early access to the app 7 days before the public release. Discord giveaways boost, double the chances of winning big giveaways in May and June via the Packsify Discord server. Over 2,000 players joined already. Secure your spot before it's too late, and enjoy effortless discounts and bonuses from day one. Ship build. We can build Warhammer and Stormbringer ships in S2. Warhammer is a cutthroat ship, while Stormbringer is a blazing or drowning ship. Both are crucial, and we can build them for free. If you want to know how to build the best ship, please visit this video using the link in the description. Hero. Tanaka and Adeline are the S2 heroes, corresponding to the blazing and drowning damage family. You can obtain 1 Tanaka for free by completing the Saga event. Both heroes are crucial for the Stormbringer ship. When teamed up with Lester, they will form an outstanding battleship that deals significant damage in battle. For further information, please visit the Blazing Build Guide. Levels. The Adventure, Sea Monster, and Freighter levels will be unlocked slowly with the Grand Odyssey progress. The maximum levels are 80, 60, and 60. The highest requirement level ship part is level 21, and we can get all sorts of ship parts, such as Requiescence of Black for Cutthroat, Queen of Revenge for Artillery, etc., in S2. Moreover, the hero's first skill can be upgraded to level 8. Besides, we will have new trials for S2, which are more challenging than S1. These will produce the hero and trinket experience. But don't worry about not completing them on time. We can use the season switch feature in trials to complete the old ones at any time. There will be a new set of stargazing research. We can research the old and new ones concurrently. Recipes. There will be new ingredients and recipes for dishes and drinks. You can enjoy guessing each recipe or getting the answer from the internet. We have put the recipe link in the description. Artifacts. 2 artifacts will be unlocked in S2, the Wrist Hook and Veil of the Goodness. Wrist Hook is useful when hunting down a moving enemy flagship. You can attack the opponent while moving at a faster speed. There is a pay option to upgrade the hook, which will slow down the opponent and make it easier to kill. Veil of the Goodness provides a passive skill to save your flagship from dying for a short time. You can hide in a port before your ship is sunk. Season. At the start, the sea is freezing. We need to increase the Flame of Life level to survive on the map. We can gather energy from squad raids, gang raids, completing incidents, and melting gems. We'll unlock gem slots and gain valuable items like conchs along the way. With more gem slots unlocked, we can install more gems and increase the specialization strength. It is crucial for non-player battles such as raids, sea monsters, and armed freighter. Gems can be obtained from squad raids and gang raids, available in red, green, yellow, and purple. The higher the level, the better the stats. Red gems provide critical rate, critical damage, and impact bonuses. Optimizing critical damage is essential. For more information on this topic, please visit the video link in the description. Green gems provide HP bonuses, armor bonuses, and critical resistance, with critical resistance being the preferred option, followed by the armor bonus. Yellow gems provide damage bonuses for specific damage types such as strategic, cutthroat, blazing, etc. We recommend optimizing the damage type with the best combination of hero and trinkets. For example, our strategic ship is a better option than Stormbringer because we have 3 strategic damage dealers rather than 2 blazing plus a drowning hero. Raids. The S2 squad raid differs from S1, where the old strategy no longer works. A minimum level of specialization strength is required to win the raid. If your strength is lower, you will deal less damage and take more damage from the sea monster. You can watch this guide for detailed information. The gang raid is available in 5 difficulties. Only R4 and R5 players can start the raid. Completing the raid once per week rewards you with gems and auction items. Alright, it is the end of today's sharing. Please subscribe and stay tuned. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.
Set sail on the exhilarating adventure in the world of pirates.